Class 7th B Science Fiber to Fabric. Question: describe about animal that yield wool. Answer है several breeds of sheep are found in different parts of our country. Wool is common in Tibet and Ladakh. Mohair is obtained from Angora goat that found in Jammu and Kashmir. Wool is also obtained from goat hair. Under fur of Kashmir goat is soft. Example that Pashmina shawl. The fur of camel's body also used as wool. Llama and the alpaca also yield wool that occur in South America. The question: what is rearing? Answer: the process of keeping, feeding, breeding and medical care of useful animals is called rearing of animals. These animals produce one or more useful product. Question: write the processing step of fiber into wool. Shearing, scoring, sorting, cleaning of furs, dyeing and rolling. This is the process step of fiber into wool. Question: what is shearing? The flesh of the sheep along with a thin layer of skin is removed from its body. This process is called shearing. This process is called shearing. This is the first step of the processing of fiber to wool. You see, the shearing is a process to change the fiber into wool. This is the first step. In this step, the flesh of the sheep removed from its body. What is scoring? The sheared skin with hair is washed in tanks to remove grease, dust and dirt. This is called scoring. It means कि scoring is a process of the processing of fiber into wool. In the scoring, you see the fiber is washed in the tank. After this process, the dirt materials grease, dust, etc. are removed from the fibers. Thus you can say the scoring is a process to washing of the fibers. What is sorting? What is sorting? Sorting, the process of separating the fleece of a sheep into according to quality of woolen fiber is called sorting. So sorting is a process. Sorting is a process of processing to fiber into wool. In sorting, you see the fibers are separated in the different group on the basis of quality. Thus, the different type of the fiber are separated. The best fiber, the medium quality fiber, and the coarse fiber. For the texture, this process is called the sorting. What is burrs? B-U-R-R-S, burrs. The small fluffy fibers called burrs. It means small fluffy fibers called burrs that picked out from the hair. You see in your sweater, there are many fluffy fibers are showing. These fibers are separated in the process of the fiber to wool. You should write this question in your copy with the help of the video